Okay, y'all, we are at Sam's. I need to restock a few things in my house, though. And I'm shopping with my son. He will be 18 tomorrow. Jalen, say hey. First, we are on the fabric softener aisle. They have the swivel tail. That's $10.88. How many loads you get? You get 235 loads. Then they have a snuggle, 235 loads for about $1 more. So I think we're gonna get snuggle. So yeah. Now they have the Tide for $24.98. I usually either get Tide or Game. They have this Tide right here for $19.98. This one has 110 loads, and this one has 152. And then they have the Game for $19.98, and this one has 159 loads, which I usually use Game anyway, but I like this scent better. Okay, y'all, now we're looking for dish detergent. So they have the Members Mark for $8.98. I have never tried that. I do like this Dawn Platinum, so we're gonna stick with this right here. Let's get that. So now they have these paper towels. We're gonna get a pack of these. I hope the toilet tissue can fit down there too. Let's get this. Let me get some toilet tissue. Okay, they both fit. Okay, so now we're in the frozen food section. They have these chicken breast strips, which we like because they kind of remind us of Chick-fil-A. So we're gonna get a pack of these. Let's see what else they have right here. Then we'll go down that aisle. They have some more chicken nuggets, garlic and herb seasoned chicken breast. Hot dogs, spicy chicken nuggets. Y'all want some spicy chicken nuggets? So let's grab a pack of these. And chicken fried rice. They have the orange chicken. Let's see what else. The lasagna, now $15. And y'all, we gonna grab one of these French toast sticks. And we're gonna grab a box of these Hungry Jack, which my husband liked these better than Eggos. They got the breakfast sandwiches, the acai bowls. That's good. So you get 4 acai bowls. And here, I might try these. This might be a good breakfast option. Let's get this to try for breakfast. My other son, 16-year-old, loves these. Buffalo wings are $20. These boneless bites. Y'all want some of these? Chicken breast strips again over here. buffalo wings. Tyson buffalo wings. These are on clearance for $9.91. Baby, they are 4.5 pounds, cooked from frozen. So we're gonna grab a couple bags of these. That's a good deal. Okay, they have some more chicken wings. They have the chicken breast tender, the chicken thighs. Sam's took away their waffle fries, which I used to come here and get all the time. But BJ's has them now. So they have the fish fillets. Let's grab some of these cod. We're gonna grab one of those. Okay, they got some Atlantic cod right here. I might put that back and make my own fish fillet sandwiches. Or fillet of fish, skinless and boneless. So we're gonna grab this. They have the mahi mahi. We don't do tilapia. They have the salmon, butterfly shrimp. These are on instant savings too for $16.98 this week. So let's grab a pack of these. Okay, so we're gonna grab a pack of these hot dogs for $9.98. Okay, should I get two of these? Cause y'all kind of go through these, so I'm gonna grab two. I'll grab two of those. Come on. Let's see what else they have. We're gonna grab some sausages. They are $8.78. We need this kind of cheese. We have the Mexican cheese. We'll get some cheese. Okay, y'all. So my husband loves this lemonade. So we're gonna get one of these. And we're gonna grab, I was gonna grab some orange juice, but no. Yeah, let's grab one of these orange juices right here. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get some baby spinach right here. Me, myself, I have been eating pescatarian lately. So I just came to look at the seafood. I wonder why this one on sale. July 25th, it expired tomorrow. All of the other ones expired July the 27th. They got the little crab meat, imitation crab, smoked salmon dip. Okay, y'all, we're gonna grab some of these center cut pork chops. Yeah, let's grab a pack of these. Oh, this thing heavy. Boneless pork loin, oxtails. Get about 3 for $25.30. Okay, y'all, they have beef stew. The roast beef. Which I already have meat in my freezer, so I'm not really here for meat. Just a few odds and ends. Okay, these are the steaks. These seem hard. These seem soft. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get the casserole. We are gonna grab a couple of wings. Not that one. That one missing some. Let's get this one. Okay, so here's the hamburgers. These are Spider-Man too. Some of them. They both prime rib beef steak. They're the same. Okay, so we're gonna grab a pack of these. Okay, y'all. Here's the bakery aisle. And they have the cookies, macadamia nut, oatmeal raisin, and chocolate chunk. These are all just chocolate chip cookies. Okay, y'all, so now we are about to head to the checkout. I usually do scan and go, but since I'm using my phone to record, now I got to go through the line. But yeah. Go. We did self-checkout because the lines was too long. I had to take a break and scan everything. So now we're in line for her to check the receipt. Okay, y'all, so the total for all of that stuff came up to $356.65 at Sam's today. I need to go to BJ's, but I don't know if I'm going to make it there today or another time this week. Okay, so my son is going to put this stuff in the trunk. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.